Welcome to the Waiver Consulting Group, where we assist entrepreneurs, therapists, and equipment suppliers in establishing compliant adaptive equipment services in South Dakota. A vital program that empowers individuals with disabilities by funding specialized devices for greater independence. These services, including the assessment, procurement, customization, and maintenance of items like bath lifts, communication aids, and complex wheelchair modifications, are authorized by the Department of Human Services, DHS, and funded through the Department of Social Services, DSS, under waivers such as Choices, Family Support 360, and Medically Fragile. To qualify, your business must register with the state, obtain necessary NPI and EIN numbers, apply for Medicaid DME enrollment or waiver provider approval, and develop a rigorous policy and procedure manual that mandates coordination with licensed therapists and precise documentation of medical necessity for every request before you can begin fulfilling authorized service plan needs. Visit waivergroup.com or call 302-888-9172 to get started today.